Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to use sticky notes in Windows. Go to search and type sticky notes and we'll get the sticky notes program. Right click on this and let me pin to taskbar. So the program appears on the taskbar. Now let me right click on this and here we have various options. You can use any of this. So let me click outside and let me open the sticky notes. So now it's opening the sticky notes interface. So this is a sticky notes interface. Here we have various options and also there are settings over here. There are few settings we can change for the sticky notes. There's a color, you can choose a dark mode or you can use the default one. And also you can toggle the confirm before deleting sticky note on or off. So I'll keep it on and let me go back. And let me create sticky notes. You click on this plus icon so you can see a new sticky notes is created. And let me close this. So let me close this sticky note. So we can put any of your daily task over here. Let me put there's an office waiting by 2:30 p.m. And here click on the three dots and you can change the color of the sticky notes. Let me change to some other color. Now let me add another sticky note and okay, there's a duplicate one. Okay, and let me give a new task here. Pick up from school and let me use some time here. And we can also let me change the color of this. And also we have two options, note list, and you can also delete the sticky note. And in the down where we have various attributes, we can give a sticky note. Let me select this and we can make it to bold. We can change it to italics. If you want, we can underline the sticky notes. We can strike through the sticky notes. And also we can add bullets to the sticky note. So select the sticky note here, the notes, and you can give the bullets. And the last we have is we can also add image to the sticky note. You can click on this and you can select an image. So let me change the color of this sticky note. And also if I open any other program, let's say notepad, I can keep the notepad here and the sticky notes is always there on the side. So let me close the sticky note right now and right click on this program and let me go to the note list. So I'll get this sticky note interface and we can see a list of all the sticky notes what I've created. And if I want to delete the sticky note, click on the three dots again, delete note. So I get this confirmation. So let me delete this. And also we can delete the sticky notes from here also and delete. And again, if you want to create a sticky note, we can click on this plus icon. Thank you.